Hi, I'm Adam. I'm 37 years old, and I recently started skateboarding again after a 13-year hiatus. Hi, I'm Adam, and tomorrow I'll be 5 months sober. Hi, I'm Adam, and I just wanted to say thank you. Hi, I'm Adam, and today I'm working on some Casper spins on this tiny incline of a bank. Hey, I'm Adam, today I'm working on some picture calls.
Hi, I'm Adam, and at the end of this month, I'll be 7 months sober.
Hi, I'm Adam, and I relapsed. After 298 days sober, I got into the whiskey. Hard. Just shy of claiming my 10 months. I owe an apology to my family, and I want them to know that it was no one's fault but my own. It was my decision. Nobody put the bottle in my hand. I owe an apology to those of you who have supported me along the way, and most of all, to my 13-month-old daughter, Autumn. Back in January, when you first came home, I made you a promise that I'd be better, that I'd show up for you. Her name reminds me that there's something beautiful inside all of us, but sometimes, for that beauty to grow, parts of us have to be shed and rebuilt in a new season. So here I am, bearing it all, back to day one. I'm shedding old leaves, and I'm preparing for something new. I'm back on the board, and this time, we're building something solid. The framework is already in place, and there's so much ahead to look forward to. Now all we need is structure to join the transition from the old us to the new us. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're struggling with addiction or fighting through dark thoughts, please reach out to someone. You are seen and you are loved, and I'm very grateful you're here. We'll take this rebuild one day at a time. We'll reset, we'll sand, we'll polish, and we'll skate. We'll keep building and improving, one day at a time. I'm Adam, and as always, thank you for your support just by watching.